Is your two-finger scroll on Windows as useful as a screen door on a submarine? Let's get that fixed in 90 seconds. First, let's dive into your settings. Open the Windows Start menu and click on the settings icon. Or simply press the Windows key plus I. Next, go to Devices. Now, select Touchpad from the left-hand menu. Make sure the Touchpad toggle is set to on. Scroll down a bit, and you should see a section labeled Scroll and Zoom. Ensure that Drag to Fingers to Scroll is checked. If it's already checked, try unchecking it, applying the settings, then rechecking it. This can sometimes reset the function. If that didn't work, let's peek at your drivers. Right-click on the Windows Start menu icon and select Device Manager. Expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices. You should see your touchpad listed there. Right-click on your touchpad device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab, click Update Driver, select Search automatically for drivers, and let Windows find the latest driver. If it says you have the best driver already, don't worry, we have another option. Back in the Driver tab, click Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. Once uninstalled, restart your computer. Windows will usually automatically reinstall the driver upon restart. If you're still having issues, and especially if you've recently cleaned your laptop, ensure that there's nothing physically obstructing your touchpad. Sometimes dust or debris can interfere with its functionality. Also, try using an external mouse to see if it works. If an external mouse works, this helps confirm that the issue is isolated to the touchpad itself. If nothing works, you may need to take your device to a repair shop. Hopefully, these steps have got your two-finger scroll back in action. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.